Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Yo, Mini Chip is fighting for their life against the pumpkin spice menace. He's killed one, but the other, he can't survive long. Oh God, they need help. We need you to go grab your mom's wallet, find the card with all the numbers on the front, send it to us with the 3 little wacky numbers on the back. Please, they can't survive for long. Help. So here for our pumpkin spice cookies, we've got 2.5 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a cup of packed brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, 3/4 of a cup of butter, half a cup of sugar, 1 cup of canned or freshly baked pumpkin, a teaspoon of vanilla, 1 egg, 1 cup of raisins, and half a cup of chopped walnuts. Okay, so for mixing these up, we're first going to combine the flour, the baking soda, the salt, and the pumpkin spice in a separate bowl, set that aside. And then in a large bowl, we're going to combine both of the sugars and the butter, beat those together until they form a nice paste. Then we're going to throw in the egg, the pumpkin, and the vanilla, beat that together until it's nice and fluffy. And then you're going to add in the flour mix, the raisins, and the walnuts, and stir that together just until it's combined. Alrighty, I'm going to start off and combine the flour, the baking soda, the salt, and the pumpkin spice. I dropped a little bit of it. There we go. I need all that pumpkin spice. I need it. Okay, and now we'll combine the sugars and the butter. Get the butter out of there. Get it out of there. Here. Yep. Dang it. That's all good and pasty, so we'll add the pumpkin, the egg, and the vanilla now. Okay, and then we'll add in that flour mixture, the raisins, and the walnuts. All right, there we go. Let's throw these on a tray. Okay, and now we're going to preheat our oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we're going to spoon those cookies out onto ungreased cookie sheets, about 1.5 inches apart. And then you're going to bake them for about 22 to 24 minutes, just until the edges start to turn brown. Take them out, and then immediately move them to another surface to cool. Okay, let's get to spooning. All right, and in the oven they go. All right, there we go. These are super light and fluffy, but if you don't like raisins or walnuts, you can leave them out. Won't make a difference. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Next week, we are going to be making those special cool brownies, I promise. I just wanted to get this one out before Thanksgiving. But until then, stay safe, be good to one another. I love you all. Bye.